At the top. Let's go to work. Wow. The rest of you, if you're spectating here for the first time, welcome. We'll pick up some gear over at the shop. Come race with us. All right, we're on the way. There's Bryson bringing the fight to Zach. Oh, and Zach getting a walk. Bryson Savior.
Oh, infield, driver stand area. Never mind, got hit.
It's Bryce, it's Zach, Andrew, Keith, Billy, Jack. Separation 2 seconds, Zach going to work.
The top drivers are Bryson Burnish with the 18 lap 5 lap pace, Zach Perry with the 17 lap 509.8 pace, and Andrew Boucher with the 16 lap 503.8 pace.
Wow!
Yeah.
Good fancy driving there.
Come on.
Was good stuff. But it's Bryce trying to fight off a hard charging Zach. Here we go, coming off the triple.
Unbelievable.
The action off the tabletop, off the runway. Good stuff early on. This is the way you start the first day main. Good stuff, good stuff.
All right. Not anymore.
Two minutes down, 3 to go. I'm fade 2. I'm watching. I like it. Oh yeah, the oohs and ahs. Yeah. Oh, it's getting good. Bryce taking a peek on the inside. Running it correct.
With the 18 lap
Good stuff.
2 pace, and Andrew Boucher with the 16 lap 5 lap pace.
Stop showing off. Get in there. Leader's coming through. Down the runway. You know his colors, the orange and white. Taking the inside. Nice piece of driving. Here they come. Leaders coming up the ramp. Bryce not getting it gratuitous. No, he's still on his way. Thank you, thank you. So Zach, a little bit of breathing room. It's Bryce, it's Drew, Billy. We got Jack, Keith. 2 minutes,
Can't
guys.
see.
2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Thank you, marshals.
Are Zach Perry with the 18 lap 5 pace, Bryson Burnish with the 17 lap 509.4 pace, and Andrew Boucher with the 16 lap 5 lap pace.
Bryce opting to go service road. Keep it cool, my friend. You got a good car. Bring it home, buddy. Just keep it cool. We know what you're about. Don't let one race defy you. He's killing it. You got encouraged, not discouraged. This is the future of the hobby, guys. The rest of the world is stuck on a monitor. But it's Zach, Bryson. It's Drew, Jack, Billy, Keith. You want 10 remaining. Again, their leader doing everything right. Clearing the triple. They know his colors. Down the runway goes.
Top drivers are
Taking a peek on the inside. Coming off turn 1.
2 pace,
Orange and white.
Burnish with the 17 lap 507.8 pace, and Andrew Boucher with the
Good
16
stuff, good
lap
stuff.
15.7 pace.
It's Zach, Bryce, Drew, Jack, Billy, Keith. Talking together, going home with hardware. Then Zach trying to win from pole, 35 seconds. Race number 17, over at staging. Pick up some gear, pick up some merch, set up some cones in your driveway, run a million laps, ready to race with us, come on. We're off there to pick up some stuff, let's do some more seeing. Thank you. Keep trying to get back into the game here. 5 seconds. place to be rough because it's the youngs out there. They're carving the way. Lewis Watson coming in second. Andrew
Whoa!
on the third.
Behind you!
Keep it six, but it was Zach Perry. Welcome back to the arena.
Wow.
Taking it down. And that is Weston in second. Drew and Urban.
Billy Norris down to the
Picture time. Make it away. Extra spit shine on those bodies, so let's make them shiny.
I don't know why it's so